How to cook gorgeous creamy chicken pesto pasta with contadina. First, boil up a box of contadina linguine until al dente. While waiting for your pasta to cook, marinate your chicken thigh fillets with contadina pesto sauce made with Italian basil, cashews, pine nuts, and pecorino cheese. Pan grill the chicken and set aside. Next, pour chicken stock in a pan and mix in the rest of your pesto sauce. Simmer and enjoy that fresh, herby, and nutty aroma. Then turn off the heat and add in the cream to complete your sauce. Toss in your cooked linguine and served with sliced pesto chicken. Simply gorgeous. Visit contadina.com.ph for more gorgeous recipes.